Hey, this is Andy with SafestHires background checks. So in the original email that I sent you with our proposal, there's this link to our sign up page. You can see it here on my screen. And so to get started, you just click that link and then this screen opens in your browser. And in the top section, you enter your company name and information. And then in the next section down, you create your username and password. In the section below that is where you're going to enter your company credit card information. A quick note on that, you don't have to be charged by credit card if you don't want to. You can tell us that you would rather pay by check or ACH. We accept those payment methods as well. You can have your card charged if that's your preference, but check and ACH are also payment options. Below that, you're going to select your business type. The section below that, you'll indicate that you do have a permissible purpose for ordering background checks. In the section below that, if you were referred to us by someone, you can make the selection here. If not, you can check other or no referral. And then below that are some links to our customer agreement, privacy policy, terms of service, security policy, and payment policy. So if you want to view our customer agreement, you'll just go ahead and click this link, and then that will advance us. It's taking a moment. Maybe my system is thinking. There we go. So that brings us to the customer agreement, and then you can go ahead and scroll through the language here on this agreement to make sure you're comfortable with everything. Okay? And that is how you sign up for your SafestHires account. Thank you very much.